Hey, Rob here for QuadratechTech.com. Today we're checking out the Bestop Easy Roll Soft Tonneau cover for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. If you're looking for a way to give the bed of your Gladiator a sleek and finished look while also adding some protection from the elements for items you may like to keep here in the bed of your truck, well, the Bestop Easy Roll Soft Tonneau cover is the solution for you. The quick roll-up design means you have easy access to complete use of the bed of your Gladiator when it comes time to bring along items that are too big to fit underneath of the tonneau. And it's operated by simply first dropping the tailgate of the truck and then pulling the two latches, one found at each corner at the back of the tonneau. Then we can simply roll the tonneau cover up all the way towards the front bulkhead of the bed and secure it in place with two of the hook and loop straps. Now the straps will keep the tonneau cover secure and keep it from unrolling when you're driving down the road. When it comes time to close the tonneau back up, it's a simple reversal of those procedures, first removing the two straps and then simply rolling the tonneau right into place down the two side rails all the way to the back of the bed, snapping it down to secure it in place. And then we can pull the cover taut at both sides and secure it with the hook and loop fasteners. The Easy Roll Soft Tonneau cover is available in your choice of two different fabric options. You can choose from the high quality black diamond soft top fabric material or upgrade to the ultra premium heavy duty black twill soft top material like I have here. Now that's a great option for you, especially if you have a black twill soft top installed on your Gladiator, or maybe even the Bestop Sunrider for hardtop in black twill installed for your hardtop, because it means not only are the fabrics going to match perfectly, but the black twill fabric is going to be very easy to clean and maintain and give your Jeep a very high quality look and feel. Getting the Easy Roll Soft Tonneau cover installed is a very easy procedure with no drilling required. Simply requires us to set each of the side rails in place on the bed of our Gladiator. And then we can go ahead and grab the tonneau cover and front rail assembly. We want to make sure we snap that into place on each side of the side rails. And then it's held in place with a couple clamps. Now at the front of the tonneau cover, we're going to have one clamp on each side about 6 inches back from the leading edge. And those clamps are designed to be compatible with or without the factory trail rail system. Now here at the back corner of the tonneau cover, we're going to be holding it in place with two more clamps that are designed to use some existing factory mounting locations, again, for an easy no drill install. Once we have both the driver and passenger side rails clamped in place, it's as easy as unrolling the tonneau cover down those side rails, snapping it down to secure it here at the rear, and then pulling the cover material tight over each side rail and securing it down with the hook and loop fasteners. If you guys want to get more information or to purchase a Bestop Easy Roll Soft Tonneau cover for your 2020 or newer Jeep Gladiator, you can click that info button to head over to QuadratechTech.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the tonneau or even how to get it installed, you can always leave this for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. If you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.